Hi guys, so you know I had to share this one with you. This is an upgraded folding tripod walking cane designed to give you extra stability, comfort, and independence whether you're at home or on the go. Out of the box, this is what you get. It's really easy to put together. Just unfold it, lock it into place, and adjust the height to your preferred setting using the 5-level adjustment system. No complicated setup or tools needed. What makes it stand out is the tripod base with a built-in spring design that helps absorb shock as you walk. Isn't that cool? It feels smooth and steady with every step, and it's quiet too. No clicking or clunky noise. You can use this cane on all kinds of surfaces, on concrete or sidewalks. It gives you solid, everyday support on uneven ground like grass, gravel, or outdoor paths. The 3-prong brace helps it stay balanced better than a standard single-point cane. The wide ergonomic handle is soft and comfortable in your palm. So even if you're walking longer distances, it helps reduce hand pressure and fatigue. It also folds up quickly, making it easy to store in a bag or take with you when traveling. And when you need both hands free, it can even stand on its own. Overall, it's a simple, reliable walking cane that's built for everyday movement across different terrains, indoors or outdoors. It comes with this convenient, handy-dandy bag, so when you're not using it, just stick it in the bag and tuck it away, and you are all set and ready to go. It even has this nice string, so you can just go ahead and throw it over your shoulder or hang it up. Check this out. Look how easy it is to put together after collapsing it. Easily collapse it, easily put it together, and look at this. It stands on its own. This WlkPal cane will definitely have you walking safely in style.